There's mummy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey guys, it's Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we went to the Home Depot. Jen ordered something online and then caused me to wind up buying a bunch more stuff because she ordered something. We had to go pick it up. But with that being said, we're going to do a tutorial for the wolf. It's the Fear Valley wolf.
5.5 foot
Yeah.
LED Fear Valley wolf, guys. And I have been looking all over for it. So before I start work in the mornings, I always start scrolling through my Home Depot app. And this morning he took off today. And this morning I was like, oh, guess what I just did?
Yes, and they're $100. What was it? $199.
$199.
So just so you know, and I don't know if y'all know this or not, but if you get on the Home Depot app and you can set it up on payments, not just have to pay for it all at one time, and on like 4 payments.
I go through PayPal.
Yeah, and you set it up interest-free, 4 payments,
Yep.
and it's paid off in what, 2 months? I guess it's every 2 weeks.
They
right?
just break it up in 4 payments.
Yeah, it's every 2 weeks, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, but that's a great way if you can't afford it all at one time. You can do it that way. That's great. With that being said, we're going to set it up, let you see it, because I'm telling you, on the boxes, it does not do it justice.
Okay.
I don't know if you've seen it in Home Depot with it set up, but it's way different.
Well, that's what I was telling him, because when he said we had actually seen this in Lexington a couple weekends ago.
Yeah, the box.
And I was like, well, I don't want that. I was like, well, what am I going to do with that? Then I started watching videos, and then we seen him, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it.
Yeah, he's almost freaky
Like,
when you're up on him and stuff. He will scare people if they don't expect him, and he goes off and does the stuff he's doing. He's pretty freaky looking.
Yeah, like he gives me a weird feeling when I'm watching him. So it's awesome. I'm super excited to have him. So let's get him put together.
All right, let's set all this stuff out quick.
I mean, guys, check out his face. I mean, look. Oh, that's insane. I love him.
All right. He's a big boy.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought it was going to be about the same size as the skeleton dog we got from Big Lots, but it's actually bigger than it. And you got 2 wiring harnesses here. One's white, one's black. And you just got to make sure you find the slots are just push in. You can't really put them together wrong. Plug them in. Right. And then it looks like it's got a little square block. Just slide it together. Snaps in place. Let's see, is that fur Velcro?
Mm-mm.
No. Now that does look like a leak point where water could get down in there right there.
That's probably why it's a covered.
Yeah. Definitely.
All
Now,
right, guys. Like I said, I'm a 5 foot,
where's his tail at?
and you see what right there. And you see where he comes. Ain't he awesome? Ain't he the greatest? I love him. I want to see what Bailey.
Now the tail is a
just pops in.
it's a push pin.
Yeah. right, am I ready?
You ready to plug him up and see what he does?
Cannot wait. Let's see.
She's been dying for his thing since she seen those videos. First, she didn't want him. Now we're gonna do it's a little darker in here in the garage, so we're gonna throw some light on him where you can see it better. And he does have
a volume adjuster on here too.
But his mouth, the way it moves, makes his teeth look like they're coming out. That's better, ain't it? I was gonna say, and get some of the dead spots on him where they can see that.
He's massive.
Oh, he tried to bite me. And that's the dead spots on him so you can see it, but he's humongous. He's probably a good 4.5 foot tall and 5 foot long, probably 5.5 foot long. And I really think this is crazy, the way when that top lip is coming up, it's making his teeth, that's like, looks very real. Surprised Bailey ain't barking, but she's so used to all this Halloween racket, she don't pay no attention to it. Look at her just looking.
Yeah.
Now, I didn't know, did you look at it? Is it set up on sensor, or how's that work? Did you look, or is that just on?
All right, guys, so right here on this little fleshy piece of skin is where your sensor's at. So your different settings is just like all your other typical animatronics. This one has an infrared sensor with a range of up to 13 foot and will activate when someone comes within an 80-degree angle from left or right to him.
And I don't know, it works 13 feet away. Seems like 5 or 6 it's getting it. And I don't know if it's further than that or not. Yeah, we ain't got enough room in here. So much crap in here. We ain't got enough room. But he's going off, as you can see, as I'm moving. So he's reading me 5, 6 feet away. So I like that. Some of them sensors, you got to get up and wave right in front of them to get them to work. So, but that's all we got.
Yep, I'm super excited with him. I'm so happy that I found him. If you don't have one, go get you one. Yep. I love him.
So please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great contents. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll try to respond back to you as quick as possible.
Thanks, guys.
Stay spooky.